Hello guys, welcome to Dinosaur Time. My name is Brenda. And I'm Piggy. Today we're going to have a race with these monster trucks. However, there seems to be three. Oh, that's because we have a special guest. He goes by the name of Crispy! Hey, my name is Crispy. The Crab Show Revenge of the Dice starts soon. Okay, enough. Okay. We're going to start doing this monster truck race. Let's go. First, we must assign monster trucks. There we go. I've got the blue one. I've got the orange. And I've got the red. Now, Brenda's turn. Time to race. Right. Ready, steady, go. Oh. We seem to have some technical difficulties. Okay, let's try this again. Oh. Attempt number 3. Guess that counts. Okay, it went to there. Right. Crispy, it's your turn next. Crispy time. Right. Let's go. That didn't go very far, did it? I think it went to about there. Right. My turn then. Okay. Go. Wow. It didn't land the right way up, but I think I've won. Well done, Piggy. Bye, guys. This was fun.